Alright, so there you go, you can hear it. Oh, and again. So, oh. Alright. So, this is my bed, where I was sleeping earlier on this morning, when the constant beeping started again, yet again. They're pressure washing the... Oh, here we go. Now you think that's a truck backing up. Oh no. Actually, it's pressure washing the building opposite. It's owned by the city of Cambridge. But the city of Cambridge is so inconsiderate that they didn't bother to mention to their neighbours that they would spend the next however many weeks pressure washing the building opposite with a vehicle that constantly beeps every time it backs up. Alright, safety first, of course, but then there's a cop standing there supervising it. What's going to possibly happen? Right? It's not going to kill someone, it's backing up. There's a guy standing there with a gun supervising it. It's not, nothing's going to happen. Turn off the stupid beep. Nothing bad is going to happen, or just turn it down a little bit, maybe a few decibels, so the person behind it can hear, not every single neighbor for blocks around. Do something considerate. Think about your neighbors. We live here too. Anyway, this is my bed, and I'm wide awake now. So thank you for the free alarm clock every single day. Every single day. Thank you, Cambridge. You're really great. Have a nice day.